Video conferencing is two-way interactive communication, deliver video and audio using the telephone or internet technologies that allow people to, at different locations, come together for a live meeting. Besides, it enables to share documents and display digital information on the screen simultaneously, unlike the video phone calls, which expect to serve individuals. Video conferencing is designed to serve a conference on multiple locations. A basic video conference setup has a camera and a microphone. The core technology is the digital compression of audio and video stream in real time. And like the video from camera and the audio from the microphone is converted into a digital format and transmitted to a receiving location using a coding and decoding device, often referred to as a codec. At that receiving location is another codec device that decodes the digital stream into the form that can be seen and heard on the monitor. The most famous software include the Microsoft Link, Skype for Business, and Google Hangouts. And the other solution for video conferencing is the web real-time communication. And that means people can go to the live meeting through a web browser. And this technology started to breaking its way into the medical field in 2002. A French surgeon used the video conferencing to conduct a gallbladder removal surgery in France from a location in New York City. By 2003, the broadband internet access was widely available. In the meanwhile, the general public was able to afford the web cameras and personal computer. So with the release of the Skype in 2003, video telephone was being popularized. In the same year, the higher education started to embrace the benefits of the video conferencing. Schools around the world began to use this technology for their distance learning program. Later in 2004, Weird Red Software was the first company to use the multi-point video as the standard feature in the web conferencing solution. In 2008, this company introduced the cloud-based online service for their software. It was the first time the cloud computing technology go into the video conferencing industry. By 2008, by 2009, more sophisticated function was added into the system, such as the on-screen drawing and playing the movie file during the live meeting. Nowadays, the video conferencing is widely used in many areas our daily life. For example, in the distance education, video conferencing provided access to students who could not travel or could not afford to go to the traditional campus, give them the opportunity to explore, communicate, analyze, and share information with one another from different backgrounds. On the other hand, the video conferencing is a highly useful technology for the real-time telemedicine and telenursing, such as the diagnosis and consulting. For example, with the video conferencing, patients can contact their nurse and physicians in emergency or discuss the case reports across a large distance with the professional. Besides, many companies like the Intel Corporation have used the video conferencing to participate in the meeting on a short notice to reduce the money, time, and environmental impacts for their business operation. Finally, even the video phone calls, such as Skype, differ from the video conferencing because they expect to serve individuals, not groups, but the distinction has become very blurred. Nowadays, a chat app on a smartphone can allow more than 3 people appear on a phone call at the same time. So far, the technology of video conferencing are maturing. However, this does not mean that there's no room for the improvement and innovation. The next The next potential development could be the 3D holographic video conferencing. The researchers from the Ontario have developed a life-size teleport that uses the Microsoft Kinect system and a cylindrical display for the live 3D video conferencing. They named it the Telehuman. It allows two people to stand in front of the pods and talk to the 3D image of each other. The 3D is visible 360 degrees around the pod, so the person can walk around it. It's the key advantage over the flat displays. While 3D holographic video is not a new technology, some people think that this form of video meeting will replace the on-screen one in the future. In the Gartner figure of 2005, video conferencing is staying in the section of the trough disillusionment and going to the slope of enlightenment. The release of Skype in 2003 made many people have their first time video conferencing experience. Until the 2010, the performance of the system was enhanced for use with the handheld mobile device that combined the use of video and audio and on-screen drawing capability in the real time over a secure network. And nowadays, we can talk to one or more people through a bunch of free and efficient tools like the Google Hangout, Skype, Hall, and many others. It is trending to be an essential function for many chat apps. On the other hand, it is widely used in education, business, and telemedical areas. That means the video conferencing technology has gone to the plateau of the productivity, gaining the real-world benefits.